So that's good enough. You don't even have to use the mixer. Just get a nice wooden spoon like this, and that's good enough. Preheat your oven at 320 degrees or 160 Celsius. So now with your pan grease, you're gonna put it in the can. Halfway. And you just do like this. To release the bubbles. We have a spare. Now to a preheat oven. Put the cake in. We're going to time it for 1 hour. This is after 15 minutes. Now, after 50 minutes, we're going to check this little one. See, when it starts to break apart like that, that means it's ready. Now to check it, you just take it like that. See, it's ready. Now, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, we're going to remove the big one. Now, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, we're going to check it. See, it's dry. That means it's ready. Just let it cool before you cut. We're gonna just put like a tablespoon or 2 of butter in a container and add some honey. We're gonna glaze the bun. So now to remove it, all you have to do is just use a knife and score around it like that. Because remember, we greased it, so it shouldn't have a problem to come out. Alright. So you just do like this. Make sure your hands are clean. See how easy it come out? Alright, you just remove the paper. That's paper 1. And then you just carefully remove the other one. Wow, look at that. Alright. So now I'm gonna glaze it. Oop, it smells nice, I say. Turn it back, it smells just like the butter. Alright, so that's it. So now to glaze it, take a piece of grease paper and melt the butter and the honey and just glaze it just like that. So that's it. That's Easter bun. So all you gotta do is just do like that, 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 and remove the papers, the grease paper, like that. This is small one I'm gonna taste tonight. It's actually 1 o'clock in the morning. Alright. So now we're gonna glaze this. So I get the part here done, trust me. Ooh. This is honey and butter. And you just glaze it. Give it that nice little sheen. Nice, beautiful sheen. And that's it. That's Easter bun. Okay, we're gonna cut this and see how it looks. Easter bun. Easter bun and cheese. Easter bun and cheese. Easter bun and cheese. Let's taste it. Easter bun. Easter bun.